What's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. But first, I'm going to open up my trusty knife. Pow! This shipped from Vitamin Shoppe in Ashland, Virginia, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. Never been to Virginia, but I'd love to be. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, please check out my other tons and tons of unboxings. I am not sponsored by Vitamin Shoppe or any of the products in here, but I would love to be. Holler at your boy, Vitamin Shoppe. All these were purchased by myself. Try not to cut myself. If you would like cool t-shirts, you can go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Use my username, London Hawthorne, as your promo code. You'll save about $3 off a shirt. That's riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. This is an accidental order. This is Birthday Cake Bash from Bang Fuel Your Destiny. This is potent energy, and this will be a complete and utter return. I'm going to actually take this into the store. They said that I could do that because I did the subscribe and save, which I've had no... I love Bang. I love Bang. I love Bang, but this is the only flavor that I don't like. The Miami Cola is, it's tolerable, but the Birthday Cake Bash is just not good. I did actually a taste test and review of it, which I recommend you check it out. Subscribe to my channel. You can see it, but I really just do not like this flavor. I recommend every other flavor that I've tried. I've done taste tests of tons and tons of Bang energy drinks, and I think that you should check out my other videos and get, get a time-tested approval or opinion. That's the word I want to say. Opinion on the best ones. Spoiler alert, it's lemon drop. It's the best flavor. But I'm going to take this and I'm going to return it and in store, hopefully, and get a credit or get my money back or something, because this is gross. Sorry. I don't know what's up with that. You want me to try the keto coffee Birthday Cake Bash? I will. Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite Bang is. What is your least favorite? What's your favorite energy drink in general? Wish you the best. Have a great day.